And now fuck the mask. Fuck nigga. And I got corona. Yeah, what's up? Fuck shit. Bitch, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Put your hands on me. Don't put your hands on me. Bitch, you about to get taken. Fuck your shit. Nigga, fuck wrong with you? Bitch. Now you about to get beat the fuck up. What's up?
You don't touch my property. You don't buy it. You don't buy it. I bought it. I work hard for it.
In the middle of nowhere.
And he lucky as hell I ain't have nothing on me on mamas, because if he would have played with me, bruh, it would have been a whole different story. Everybody I know, 75% of people I know would have smacked the shit out of him or done some crazy ass off the wall shit. All I did was take his mask off. Stupid ass Uber, bruh. On mamas. That's why I take Lyft. That's why I take Lyft. I'm finna sue Uber for... They seen the whole video, so they know they dead ass wrong. So where my check at? Where's my check?